Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now let's check the currently wallpaper, and just to change our lock screen wallpaper we should first open the settings, and after that here tap to home screen and wallpaper section. After that we can tap here to wallpaper, and here we have just a couple of folders to select our new wallpaper from, for example from our device gallery. Here we can also find the downloaded wallpapers from the internet, for example. Also we can use our the default wallpapers, and just to click here to more wallpapers we can also find here the online wallpaper. So how to do that I'll show you just a little bit later. So now let's just use one from the default wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Then just tap here to apply and select the lock screen. Now just let's lock our tablet, and we can see here that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our HUAWEI MatePad. So also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should slide with our two fingers at the center at the same time, and then we'll see here the wallpaper icon. Just click here once, and after that you'll see the same wallpaper settings. For example, let's use now the online wallpaper. So click to more wallpapers, but be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. So for example, let's use this wallpaper. We can here just select the another one if you want. For example, I'll use this one. Click here to download, wait a little bit, click to preview. We can see how that will be look on the home and lock screen. Then just tap to apply and select again lock screen. So now just let's wait a little bit, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.